Would you like to know more about people before you meet them? Maybe you're prospecting for clients or hiring a new employee or considering a job and you want to know what to expect from your new boss. Or maybe you want to validate someone's online dating profile. Today I'm going to share a tool called Crystal Knows. I talk about why I love this tool and even the concept in other videos, but in this one, let's jump straight in. So to start out, I am going to go and add this to my Google Chrome. So you can just go to the Chrome Web Store, just go to Google and type in Chrome Web Store Crystal. And this should come up and you should be able to add it to Chrome just by clicking the blue button here and add extension. The way I use it is to use it mostly inside LinkedIn. So I'll head over to LinkedIn. And you can see here, maybe I've got a new prospect that I want to get some business from. And actually here, this person here, Jennifer Powers, I am prospecting with Jennifer. And I do know Jennifer, but let's just see how well this works. If I didn't know Jennifer, what I would do is click on her and get to her page. So this is her page here. And over on the right-hand side, you see this View Personality. So I'm going to click on that. And it's going to ask you to log in or sign up. So do one of those. And here we go. Now it's loaded this profile of Jennifer Powers. And you can see it has a 25% confidence. So it's got a low confidence level. And I don't even know how this thing works, but it just tends to work pretty well. So it's going through here and just giving you some information that it's some assumptions it's making about Jennifer that will help you in your business with her. So Jennifer could be your coworker, could be your boss, could be someone you're thinking of hiring, or in this case, someone that I'd like to do business with. And I'd like to be able to connect with her without having to go through the awkward beginning of trying to figure out what kind of personality she is, if she wants me to be really chatty or if she wants me to get direct to the point. So let's look through here. You can see here Jennifer tends to be supportive and naturally empathetic with a tendency to dive into deep, long conversations instead of direct, efficient ones. Be warm and ask questions. So it gives her disc type. Tells you some things that she prefers, likes, avoids being rushed. That's a great thing to know when you're trying to do business with someone. Prefers a scheduled call. That's another thing. Some people just want to make a phone call and some people want to set something up via email, but this personality type likes to schedule a phone call. And you can just continue looking down here at some of these natural tendencies and communication tips. So when speaking with Jennifer, take time to earn trust before making your point. Speak with a calm and steady tone. Things that motivate her. And some tips for working with her. Also avoid, some things that you should avoid, things that you can do in a meeting when selling, how to explain things. Here we go. Take time for social graces. This is, I mentioned this earlier. Yes, so I should be a little chatty with Jennifer before diving right in. This is a pretty good look at Jennifer. I think I know her pretty well, and I feel like this is good. It's not exactly on with Jennifer, but this would be very helpful if I was going into a meeting with Jennifer and I did not know her at all. Going in with these tips would definitely help me lead to a better conversation with her. Now, one thing I didn't mention is that you get a certain number of credits here across the top. You get 10 credits for free per month. And to tell you the truth, I don't know exactly how they debit these credits. It seems like maybe it's every time you start a session in LinkedIn, but you can look through a number of people before the credits go down. Or maybe it's when you dive deeper in that you're deducted the credits. But so just be careful. Keep an eye on that number so you don't run out, or you'll have to buy one of the paid plans. Some other suggestions it has here for if you're sending an email, different ways, different things you should be doing. So that's how I use this amazing tool, is just to jump in here and get a quick understanding of someone's personality type before I pick up the phone or before I send an email to approach a prospect. If you have a tool that you'd love for me to share with others, I would love to hear about that down in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. It's right up here. Or if you haven't yet, you can subscribe by clicking down here.